Fire, want to lose that stubborn belly fat? Stop wasting time on useless workouts. If you do these 5 exercises daily, your abs will thank you, your belly fat won't. Stick around because number 3 is a game changer. Hey, fitness warriors. If you're tired of crunches that don't work and diets that fail, this video is for you. I'm about to show you the 5 best daily exercises to sculpt your core, boost metabolism, and get rid of belly fat, fast. No gym required. Let's jump in. 1. Plank, the core king. If you're not planking, you're missing out on one of the best exercises for a rock-solid core. Hold for 30-60 seconds daily, and watch your abs tighten like never before. 2. Mountain climbers, the fat burner. Want a cardio boost while shredding belly fat? Mountain climbers torch calories like crazy. Do them for 40 seconds, rest, and repeat. 3. Hanging leg raises, the secret weapon. This is the number 1 exercise for lower belly fat, but most people skip it. If you can't do it hanging, start with lying leg raises. Just 3 sets of 12 reps, and your abs will feel the burn. 4. Russian twists, the oblique shredder. Love handles? Not anymore. This exercise targets your obliques, giving you that chiseled V shape. Grab a weight for extra resistance. 5. Burpees, the metabolism booster. Hate them? That's because they work. Burpees combine strength and cardio, keeping your metabolism on fire. Do 10 reps and feel the magic. And there you have it. 5 simple but powerful exercises to keep your belly in check. Which one will you start with today? Drop a comment below. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay fit, stay strong. Full score fire.